Grand risings, beautiful souls. I know it's been a minute since I've been on video. This human body has been in its own little battle, and I had to step back, take some solitude, and restore. Out here on the road, the body speaks louder than the noise of the world, so I listen. But don't let the stillness fool you. In between the battles, life gave me some wild adventures. Oh boy, did they ever. Someone wonderful let me borrow their side-by-side. And let me tell you, me and a friend were out there tearing across a desert like two kids let loose in Toys R Us back in the 80s. Full throttle, joy, pure freedom. The kind that reminds you why we wander. Then it was me, the dogs, a couple of friends heading deep into the Desert Wildlife Refuge. Peace, beauty, and nature doing what nature does, fulfilling the soul. And of course, the sky put on a show of its own. At first, I thought I was seeing a Starlink train, but after doing some verifications, y'all know, I always check. There were no Starlink launches that night. Whatever it was, let's just say it belonged to the unknown category. I thought it was out of this world, but apparently the universe wanted to remind me I've got company. Anyways, I'm back, recharged enough to keep walking this wild nomadic path with you all. And hey, me and the dogs got some fun stuff to watch. So look out at our adventures, enjoy the time, and make sure you like and subscribe. And while you're at it, share this with a friend. It might just cheer them up. Take it easy. Have a great day. Much love. Nomadic Way. Ariel, London, and Zena. May you shine.